All right, everyone. So we're back. So this is night two. And as you saw last time, we were very eager in trying our best to get the heads on and everything on the LS engine. Unfortunately, we were not able to accomplish that. And here's why. What happened was the wrong head bolts were sent. And unfortunately, that stopped us for the night. Now, we did get everything else ready. And we're at a point now where we can put the heads on, bolt everything into place. Once that's done, we can actually ensure that we measure the right push rod length, and I might actually have some cool tips for that, so stay tuned. Once that's done, we're going to throw on the intake, exhaust manifolds, harmonic balancer, and water pump. So tonight should be very good. We're going to have a lot of stuff going on. Now, if debating whether or not to do one or two videos because it's going to be kind of long, I don't know if I want to keep everybody kind of waiting through the whole thing or just kind of give you guys the fun tips as we go. But because at the end of this, Steve was going to be doing a startup on his engine stand, which is going to be pretty cool. Never seen that, never done that, but I think that would make for an awesome ending through all of this whole adventure we've been going through. So far, things have been going fairly smooth, except for the stripped threads on the heads. But we got that taken care of. Yep, the ones on the rocker arms, you're right. Don't know what was going on with that tool. For some reason, it was pulling out a couple of the threads. It was maybe, what, 6 of them total?
Yeah.
Yeah, more or less. But for some reason, it was bending the actual bolt and pulling the threads out, which is, I've never seen that before. So that was a new one for us. But we're gonna get started. We'll keep you in the loop and enjoy. You got one down here. Hey, well, success, right? Boom, Mike.
Mike,
So,
I appreciate
yeah,
y'all's help.
that's a good one. Yeah, we did good.
It probably won't be the last one we do.
It won't be the last one. And I guarantee I mean, next one's gonna go a lot quicker too.